Welcome to Natural Remedies.
The fat found in avocados consists of monounsaturated fatty acids, which help the body grow and stay healthy. It means you can feed your baby an avocado every day without worrying about him becoming overweight. Sweet potato goes well with avocado to make a nutritional baby food that naturally tastes sweet. You will need 2 cups diced sweet potato, 1 avocado, 4 cups of water. How to prepare? Transfer the sweet potatoes into a cooking vessel along with water. Boil the sweet potatoes for 25 minutes. You can also pressure cook them for 4 whistles. Sieve out the sweet potatoes from the water and let it cool. Transfer the pulp of the avocado into a blender and add a cup of water. Add the boiled sweet potatoes to the blender and blend them. Pour more water if required and combine till you achieve the desired consistency. How do you give avocados to your baby? Tell us in the comment sections below. To get more baby food recipes, subscribe the channel.